All right, so I have a single here that I'm going to chain ply. It was requested that I do a chain ply tutorial. So the first thing I'm going to do is fold a significant length of my single over itself so that I have, not like that, so that I have a pretty decent loop here. And I'm going to put that loop through the loop in my leader. So you see I have a loop that creates 2 strands, and I have the other loop which has the beginning of my single folded over it. So right now it's 4 strands. And I'm going to keep this first chain really short. So I'm going to go ahead and reach through that loop and pull another loop out and go ahead and grab the single at the end of the length of my loop. And now I have 3 strands that are the same length, same tension and everything. I'll let some twist go into that. And before I let that loop close up, I grab another one, and then I have to pull it so I make sure there's not one strand shorter than the others. And just keep doing this. I like to keep my original loop open while I pull the next one through, and then give a little tug once I've removed my fingers to make sure that we're not having something like that happen, where there is a little pigtail from one strand being shorter than the others. Now sometimes I lose hold of that loop, but it's okay. You can still pull it through. Sometimes it breaks. I like to keep my fingers in that loop. So again, what you do is you draw your single through, reach down, and grab. Now we'll let the twist go in that, feed it on. So you've grabbed your single through the loop, and now you're going to pull the next section through. I'm trying to do this really slow for you. It's really hard to tell you what I'm doing while I'm doing it. And how you manage your threads is all up to you, to what's comfortable for you. Everybody chain plies in a different way.